All right. So we're gonna have a little heart to heart. I'm just making sure that the audio is all right. Got the, yo, my mind is gone. I just finished like doing my cardio today, and it's just like, what are you talking about? Anyway, I got the external mic plugged in, this little mini Rode microphone. So we're gonna have like a little heart to heart. Make sure that the headphones doesn't interrupt the audio. And I got awesome background music too. You know, we're in links right now. Look at that. All right, so the heart to heart we're going to be having is, what's stopping you from, getting you your results. And it could be a number of things. I don't know your current circumstances, but there's some things that you can possibly do in order to make, tilt the odds in your favor in getting your results. So one of my common threads I get is clients, they want to lose weight. This is one of the specialties that they come to see me for. But more importantly, they do not want to just lose weight. They want to make like a transformational change. They want some external result that's outside of themselves. And one of those external results is, the approval of others. So they're like approval seeking, right? They want that girlfriend to really like them. They want that boyfriend to be jealous. They want their revenge bod. They want that glow up. As I spoke to a beautiful young lady that also works here. She mentioned these terminologies to me, and I thought it was pretty cool. Like, who doesn't really want a glow up, right? You know what I mean? You work so hard in the gym, you want people to take notice. So what are the things that you can do in order to like glow up? And one of the things is to really look internally and ask yourself why. Like, what is your big why? Now, it's going to be multi-dimensional with your big why, because you're going to think that it's not just one thing. You want this, you want that, and then this is where journaling comes into play, right? You want to be super selfish and dig deep inside your journal and be like, yo, this is everything that I want. Then you're gonna start asking yourself, what can I do in order to achieve these? And this is where the magic happens. Whatever that comes to mind, you wanna take action on it immediately. Now, you get what you want in taking the action itself, not the goal that you obtain, right? It's the action itself. This is where you actually get your results, all right? Taking the action, right? You have no right to the goal, you only have right to the action, right? So if that's something, if you want to lose weight, you want to like impress that girl or get revenge on that guy, right? You have to become that version, that better version of yourself, right? The evolved version. And evolving comes through taking massive action. And every single day, a piece of you changes. Bit by bit, a piece of you changes. So you want to obtain those selfish desires. Like, I'm all for it. We all have these selfish desires that we want to accomplish, right? We want to rub it in the nose of other people. I'm all for it. But at the end of the day, it does not work that way, because everybody else is looking for their piece, right, of the slice. So you want to be able to obtain your selfish desires without costing anybody else anything, right? You want to enhance other people's lives and promote positivity in your life, in order to receive those things that you're vying for. So the process itself, and this is something that's massive. This is a big realization that I've learned this year, is the action and the process itself. In doing is when you receive, all right? You receive in doing, not in like wishing it upon you, all right? So, this is a quick little heart to heart, and hopefully it spawns into a big conversation, because as I mentioned, the big conversation is where the results are going to happen. So if you want to sit down and just watch and consume content, you're not going to get those results. You want to open the dialogue, open a discussion, and that's when the magic starts to happen. It's exploring the unknown, all right? Nobody knows exactly what it is that they're going to get, or know how to get there. The end of the story you know, nobody wants to speed up to the end of the movie, right? We want to ride the movie out and see the different twists and turns, different plot lines that you get, you know, before the movie ends, all right? And the end is just like the icing on the cake, all right? Sometimes the end is even disappointing. You know, like you get to the end, you're like, wait, that's it, right? Do you want to rush and get to that point where it's like, that's it? No, you want to enjoy the process, the journey, like the different, you know, excitement that lies in the path itself, as opposed to the end destination. Anyways, right now I'm currently filming some exercise for this new project that I'm working on. So just wanted to like give this quick little pep talk just to let you know that you're not in this alone, right? Nobody's ever in this alone. Nobody knows everything, right? We just know just enough to get us through the day. But in order for us to direct and get to that end goal, we must know what we're focusing on, and we need to focus on the process in the path to get there. Anyways, thank you for watching, and yeah, let me get back to work. Peace.